What does that look for, Clo? It's the Eevee. What you want? You want to tell everybody where we are? Although I just showed them Chloe? Huh? Want to tell them? Ugh. Can you guess where I am at with my cats? And from the first few seconds of this video? That's right. I'm at Dunn's for a couple of weeks. Because for a week of 2 weeks, I'm watching Chloe while her mom's out of town. Well, out of state. Yay! But Dawn deserves it. So, that means Clo has to deal with me while her mommy's gone. Yeah. Ugh. Really? 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 And before somebody asks, that's from one of the cats. And apparently, I need to give somebody attention. Onyx is around here somewhere. It's hard for me to keep track of all three sometimes. What do you mean, no? Yeah, it is too hard to keep track of all three of you. Here, have your tail. Hey, should I show YouTube what I got Chloe? Huh? Should I? That means I gotta go into your auntie's room. Yeah. You can follow me, but let me up. Ugh. Go watch for birds. Come on. You are the slowest cat ever sometimes. Dude. It's in here. Don't mind the mess. What? I got Chloe new collars. Because the one she does have on right now, it's kind of old, falling apart. And before everybody else says, it was supposed to be for Eevee. Chloe and Eevee both wear black collars. I have collars for Eevee. So, Dawn did not have any extra collars for Chloe. And one thing with the black collars with the two, Chloe has a bell on hers. Eevee doesn't. He has an ID tag. See? Eevee has a tag. These have bells. The only reason Chloe has bells is because me and Dawn doesn't fully trust Chloe when she's when she's being a little too quiet. So that's why Chloe has bells on hers. So if we trusted her, a little more, we wouldn't have to have bells on her. Right, Clo? And that's her daily look of, I'm a grouch and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, she's a grouch, but for only being 3. And yes, Chloe and Onyx are both fixed females, and they're both 3 years old. And I'm about to spray a kitty if she does not quit, because Evie was nowhere near her. Can you guess which one is being a pain? Everybody. Yeah! Everybody's didn't hear you, grouch butt. Yeah, she's being a grouch. Yeah, she's right there. Look, Evie's right there. So, she doesn't have any reasons to be a butthead. Nobody's even near her. So, yeah. So, yeah.